Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into OverflowAI. It's Stack Overflow's big answer to this whole new world of AI-powered coding, and honestly, it's built to tackle a very specific and very modern problem for developers.
So let's just start with the question that every single developer and tech company is wrestling with right now. Yeah, AI can write code in a flash, but that speed, well, it comes with some pretty serious strings attached.
And that really gets us to the heart of the dilemma, right? On one side, you've got this incredible, almost unbelievable speed and productivity. But on the other, you have this whole new world of risks that can have massive consequences for a project or even an entire company.
I mean, these are the exact problems that keep IT managers up at night. You've got AIs just hallucinating and making up code that flat out doesn't work, security holes hidden in copied code, and the huge one, your company's secret sauce getting sent out to train some public model. The dangers are absolutely real. So let's see how Stack Overflow is trying to fix this.
Okay, so this is where Stack Overflow steps into the ring, and they are coming at this with a completely different game plan. Instead of just building another creative, do-everything AI, they focused everything around one single powerful idea: trust.
So what is it really? Well, OverflowAI isn't just scraping the wild west of the internet for answers. No. It grounds everything it says in a curated, trusted library. We're talking over 15 years of code solutions that have been tested, argued over, and upvoted by millions of actual human developers.
And what I love about this is how it's a direct one-to-one fix for the problems we just talked about. Worried about bad code? It uses the top-voted human answers. Scared of data leaks? Boom! It promises a private walled garden. And the attribution issue? It cites every single source, so you know exactly where your code came from and what the license is. It's a purpose-built solution through and through.
You know, a good way to think about it is like this. If ChatGPT is that brilliant, super creative friend who's always brainstorming ideas, some amazing, some not so much, then OverflowAI is the responsible, expert librarian. It doesn't just hand you a book. It shows you exactly which shelf it came from and tells you why it's the right one for your problem.
All right, so where does this thing actually live and breathe? It's not just one app you download. It's actually a whole set of features that are woven into the places developers already spend their entire day. Let's break down exactly where you'll find it.
First up, the public website, the one we've all spent countless hours on. Now, when you search for a problem, you get a synthesized AI answer right at the top, which is built from the best community solutions. It's designed to save you from that endless scroll through dozens of different threads.
Second, and this is a huge win for productivity, it plugs right into Visual Studio Code, which is, the most popular code editor on the planet. You can literally highlight a block of code, ask a question, and get a cited answer right there, without ever breaking your focus or switching windows.
And third, and this is where it becomes a total game changer for big companies, it can become a private search engine for your team's own internal knowledge. It'll scan your private wikis, your internal docs, your code bases, and answer questions like, hey, how do we handle authentication? This is massive for getting new developers up to speed.
So this is what the day-to-day workflow looks like. You ask a question, the AI synthesizes an answer. But then, and this is the absolute key, it makes you validate. It gives you the code snippet, but it also gives you the link to the original human discussion. It's a feedback loop that's built around verification, not just blind trust.
So, as you can probably guess, this level of trust, especially with those enterprise-grade privacy features, comes with a specific price tag. It's all broken down into tiers for different kinds of users.
The basic AI-enhanced search on the public site, that's free for everyone. But if you want the really powerful stuff, like that private internal AI and the deep VS Code integration, that's all part of the paid enterprise package that's really aimed at larger companies. So, let's zoom out. What's the big takeaway here? In a world that is suddenly flooded with AIs, why does this one in particular matter so much? Well, it really all boils down to one simple, critical word: trust. For any company, the absolute biggest selling point is this concept of the walled garden. This promise directly tackles the #1 fear that's holding businesses back from going all in on public AI: the risk that their private proprietary code ends up training a model for the whole world to use. And it all hangs on this one guarantee, straight from Stack Overflow. This single sentence is the reason huge corporations, who are, let's be honest, incredibly protective of their intellectual property, are willing to pay for a service like this. It's a rock-solid promise of privacy. You know, when you look at OverflowAI, It really suggests a different kind of future, one where we don't just use one single giant generalist AI for everything. Instead, maybe we'll turn to a whole bunch of specialized, highly trusted AIs for the critical stuff like coding or medicine or law. And it leaves you with a final thought to chew on. Maybe the next big leap for AI isn't about getting bigger, but about getting better and a whole lot more trustworthy.